Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate network security with Palo Alto Networks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate network security with Palo Alto Networks, begin by ensuring you have the necessary equipment and licenses. Log into your Palo Alto Networks firewall using your administrative credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Device tab on the top menu. Under the Device menu, select Setup and then Management. Here, verify your system is updated to the latest software version. Next, go to the Objects tab and click on Security Profiles. From there, create a new security profile by selecting Add. Save the changes and return to the Policies tab to create a new security policy. Click on Security and then Add to create a policy rule. Select the source and destination zones that the policy will apply to. Assign the security profile you created earlier under the Actions section. Next, configure the logging options to capture traffic logs related to this policy. After setting up the policy, move to the Device tab and select Log Settings. Configure log settings for different types of traffic flows. In the same area, set up automated responses for specific threat types. Use the Objects tab to create automation rules regarding alerts or actions to take when threats are detected. Explore the Panorama feature if you are managing multiple firewalls for centralized monitoring. Set up automated reporting under the Monitor tab to receive regular updates on the status of network security. Now, test the automation setup by generating a simulated attack to see if the policies trigger as expected. Review logs and reports to analyze how the automated setup responds to threats. If necessary, adjust your profiles, policies, and automation rules based on the test results. Finally, document your setup and any changes you make for future reference in audits. Now you have successfully automated network security with Palo Alto Networks. Stay informed about new updates and best practices to enhance your security further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.